Hey guys, so we are in the town of Amalfi and it's very beautiful. I love the houses all the way on top of the mountains and look how beautiful the water looks. Looks spectacular. So beautiful. So I wanted to mention something. If you guys do want to do lunch in one of the restaurants, just make sure it's always before 2 because from like 2 to 7, almost all the restaurants close and it's very hard to get something to eat. Remember that restaurant I told you guys about? It's called Gas Bar, and online it said it was very recommendable and the food was good, and then it had a lot of budget friendly options, which what we were going to do. When we got here, it's almost 3 because we kind of like pulled over, took a nap, took did some more shooting, getting beautiful sights. It's closed. They don't open till 7, so now we're just gonna have to, like, I guess, drive back to Sorrento and find something to eat on the way there. Hopefully we can find something because that's how it is here in Italy. You're not gonna get food around this time. Anything after 2, if you're gonna have a late lunch, it's not gonna happen. Not in Italy. Almost everything's closed, so hopefully we can find something. Hey guys, so we actually ended up finding a place online. It's called Valentinos. My husband was the one that found it, and it was like the only place. Well, they said they're open, so when we called, he said that he's not open, that they're not open, that they open at 7. And then I have a bambino card. That means I have a son, a little boy. And then he said, okay, come, we open for you. I was like, oh my god, using the bambino card is working out here in Italy. When it comes to kids, they'll do anything for a kid. So the guy opened up for us, but I don't know if you guys can see behind me. When we got here, we were like, this doesn't look like a restaurant. This looks like a house. Turns out that that's a vineyard, and they have like wines and cheeses and stuff. And well, I'm gonna see how the food is. We'll see. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. See, like when you come in, we were like, what in the world? This looks like a house. And they even got chickens. But we found it online. It said 5 stars, probably because it's a vineyard and stuff. We'll see how it is. So Nathaniel, tell us about this place because you're the one that found it online.
So we were looking for places that's open because nobody in Italy eats between the hours of 3 and 7. Apparently that's not eating time. So I found this place on the internet and someone put their experience of how to make Italian food. That's not why we came here. We came here because they're open. But that's something that we may be able to explore. I don't know if we have time.
Yeah, maybe they're gonna let us. They're in the kitchen back there. Let us see their cooking process. I think that would be kind of cool. They started off with some wine. We told him we like sweet wine, so he said this is a really good Moscato wine.
Someone yesterday had a cooking class.
Someone yesterday had a cooking
How
class?
to prepare mozzarella.
Oh wow.
From milk, how to make the pasta from scratch with the vegetables.
I would love to do that. That would be really cool. And this wine here is actually really good, sweet.
This is local to this.
Yeah, this is local to this region.
To this farm.
To this farm, yeah. So the whole place itself, it's like in the hill, like of a village, but we could still see the ocean over there, from the Amalfi. So I would say it's about 40 minutes from Amalfi. And we just like found it by chance, really. And this actually happens to be a guest house too. That's what the guy told us. And I like how it looks, and they're so nice. The guy speaks Spanish. They're very nice here. Very nice, relaxing atmosphere. And they have like a little farm. Oh, guys, look at the olive oil. Oh man, look at that. I bet it's so good and probably made from the farm here. Because they have like a little vineyard, and usually in vineyards they have they make olive oils too. So nice. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? What's your
Valentino.
name? Valentino. This is Valentino's kitchen, and he is doing there some bruschetta.
Sì. Bruschetta. Ok, ora prepariamo un bel piatto. Va bene?
Oh wow, look at this big. What is this again?
Questo è prosciutto.
Prosciutto. Wow, I've never seen like that.
This is them. This is our production.
Okay.
I have the pig, cow, goat, lamb.
Okay.
Okay.
I understand. Okay. Oh wow. This is very big. I'd never seen like this.
Questo è molto buono. Tu che cosa fai in Sud Carolina? Il tuo trabajo?
Oh, mi esposo,
Sí.
él es IT. Internet, computadoras.
Sì. IT. Ah, come
Ujú. Yo hago YouTube.
YouTube?
Sí.
Allora questo
Sí,
facciamo
voy a
quel
ponerte
video di
en
YouTube.
Yeah,
Ok.
voy a ponerte en YouTube. This is a privilege, guys, watching an Italian cooking his kitchen.
Tomorrow I have a lesson. If you want, you can come. Tomorrow
Cooking
I make
lesson.
mozzarella,
Okay.
ravioli, tagliatelle, and tiramisù.
Oh, wow. Oh, I would love to learn to do
Come
tiramisu.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. What,
What-
time? 11. I have cooking. I have the guest tomorrow.
Oh,
You
okay.
know, you can make beautiful.
We are close by.
You.
Sorrento.
We are in Sorrento.
Come here. Sorrento io 1 hour.
What time?
11.
11. Okay. Okay, we can do this. Yes.
Tomorrow is very, very nice cooking class.
Okay.
But we bring the milk for the cow, we coagulation the milk, and then after we make mozzarella.
Mira, vas a comer. What did he say this is called again? Bruschetta?
Yeah, bruschetta.
Bruschetta.
No. This is bruschetta.
This.
That's prosciutto.
Prosciutto. Okay.
What is that?
Oh, I've always wanted to try that. It's a ham? Salami. Salami.
Senti,
Remember the one we seen at the store and I was like, oh, I want to try one.
questo is very special.
Oh, wow.
This is very, very special.
Ferment? Outside?
Fermentado?
No, fermented. This is the meat for the pink, and then we make in winter this.
Okay.
I put in these things. Now we opening, and then you try. This is very, very good. Prego. Prego, prego. Try. This is very special.
It's really good.
Smells good too.
Mm-hmm.
This is
Good
very,
stuff.
very special.
Oh, look, the bruschetta.
Bruschetta con yellow tomato,
That's
Vegetables.
pumpkin, eggplant, and zucchini.
Oh, wow.
This is homemade tomato sauce.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Homemade tomato sauce. Smells really good. Wow.
Now we cook and put on the, we mix with the ravioli.
Oh, okay.
This is wild fennel.
you know, giving us the whole menu.
This is the ricotta cheese. It's so good and creamy.
Oh, ravioli caprese. Inside ricotta cheese and mozzarella. With tomato sauce. Okay. Ecco. Prego.
Nathaniel's gonna let us know how it is. The Italian ravioli with the fresh mozzarella.
It's very hot. You can see it steaming out.
It is.
Yes. Ew.
Yeah? Is it really good? Well, he said he made it with fresh mozzarella and the ricotta. And it's a homemade red sauce.
I feel like this is what raviolis should taste like. Even though we're used to so many flavorings and toppings to make this taste good. This is less, and with it being less ingredients, you taste more of what you should, which is the sauce and the cheese. And then in the background, you taste the ravioli or the pasta. This pasta is actually handmade just right now.
This pasta was actually handmade and filled with fresh mozzarella and ricotta cheese. I'm gonna try. So good. Normally I don't like parsley, but it has the right amount of touch to it that is just with that red sauce and the ricotta and the fresh mozzarella.
It's light, it's not.
It's perfect. The flavors are explosive because they're so fresh, they're light. I love it. And it's not full of all this sodium and salt. Pretty good wine. Sweet wine.
Olive Garden can learn a thing or two.
Olive Garden can learn a thing or two. Many Italian places. I don't think we have a favorite Italian place back home, right?
Not that good.
Yeah.
Maggiano's, no.
Yeah, the place sucks. The new one, by the house, I forgot the name. That one's not too bad. But never does it compare to the food out here. Never.
It's like an Italian pie.
Dopo,
What does that taste like? That dessert?
Fig Newton.
I don't know what that is, but I guess if you guys know what it is.
Let me see if I can find it. So this is like a Fig Newton. I don't know if some of you know what it is, but it tastes just like that. But a European version. But the cake itself is good.
Yeah. It does taste like that. I used to hate those. But this does taste better. This is the house here in the farm. It's so beautiful. Beautiful Italian home. So pretty. I love the windows. And there's another house and the restaurant is on top. Hey guys, so the owner of the restaurant has kindly given us a tour of his farm. Here are the pigs, and I'm gonna be going down this way showing you guys more of this farm. This is the farm here in Italy near Amalfi, near the Amalfi Coast, because you can still see the water, you can still see the whole Amalfi. This is an Italian farm. Here's the cow. I love the view, guys. Look at this. It's completely beautiful. Here's the artichoke plants. An apricot. This is an apricot tree. Look, the cow is running.
That cow can run.
I know, it's a fast cow. I've never seen one. Guys, so this is the vineyard here in Italy, near the Amalfi Coast. I love vineyards. They're so beautiful. Valentino is showing us one of the most beautiful spots here in Italy. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, monastery?
monastery now is a hotel 5-star. The
Oh, wow.
proprietary is from the sister from Bill Gates.
This is Valentino's favorite place. He said it's
Yes.
paradise.
For me, it's the best place in the world.
It is very beautiful. This is like Wonder Woman's land, the Mascara.
Lì.
This is Napolitani broccoli, not the broccoli.
Friarielli. Friarielli.
Friarielli, not the broccoli that we're used to back at home.
Friarielli.
It smells really good. Wow.
Oh.
Okay. I bet it tastes very good. So this is Valentino's farm. Right here is the horse. Kind of reminds me of the Icelandic horse because they have a lot of hair. And over here are the sheeps. Oh, right here are the sheeps. Right here is the sheep. And right over here are the goats. They're beautiful. Oh, there's another one right there. So this is a very nice Italian farm. So it worked in our favor that we didn't get to go to the other restaurant because they closed so early, because we found this place and he showed us different things in the kitchen. He showed us the farm, which is really cool. I really enjoyed it, and it had an incredible view, as you guys could see. Very nice area. I'm gonna leave his restaurant name right here so that way you guys can see it, and I'll leave a website too. So that way if you guys are ever in this side of Italy, come check it out.